and intentional effort, Lordy. So
Correct.
starting today, what do you think we can do today so that we can start
Mm.
supporting men and their mental health?
Siguro one of the practical ways that people, no, or sabihin natin in a workplace can do is of course to psychoeducate. So siguro yan
Mm.
lagi yung parang first attempt or step that we should take. No? Psychoeducate the people inside the environment. Let them be informed about the developments in terms of understanding mental health, not just for men, no, but actually for everyone. No? And then from there, let's continue or supplement it with different advocacies, no, within that culture or within that workplace. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng advocacies na yun, these are kumbaga specified trainings, capacity building, di ba? Whether it's for emotional regulation, no, for the improvement of interpersonal communication or connections. Depende kung ano yung kumbaga parang one of the most usual sources of distress in the company. Di ba? Minsan pwedeng ano yan eh. Pwedeng umabot yan sa task management or time management, no, yung mga workload balancing, di ba? So those kind of specific advocacies, no, hopefully should continue or should be considered after the first step of educating everyone about what mental health is. Tapos sunod na lang noon would be yung maintenance projects. 'Di ba? How can we make sure na hindi lang to ngayong buwan ng mental health, 'di ba? Hindi lang to ngayong taon. How can we make sure that this kind of policies, 'di ba, will exist, 'di ba? Habang nag-exist pa yung company.